My video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Rugby Start. Rugby Start is actually the extension for Google Chrome browser, but the trouble with this extension is that it actually functions as a typical browser hijacker. If it gets installed into Google Chrome browser, your browser will be hijacked. Your default search engine will be changed to something else not set by you initially. And this Rugby Start extension is not installed based on the user's own decision. Instead, this extension is spread through fake software or browser update alerts. So if you ever see these pop-ups, don't interact with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups suggest. If this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, you should definitely undertake the measures and get rid of it from your Google Chrome. Now I will explain how you can get rid of this extension from your Google Chrome browser. Access the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, then you need to choose Extensions. Well, let's do it once again. Menu, More Tools, Extensions. If you find this Rugby Start, you need to disable this extension and remove it. So this was actually the manual solution to fix your browser. But I also recommend that you investigate the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.